No, I'm building with you. I'm here. But I didn't want to talk about it now.
I wanted to talk about this first island grinder here with you.
Fine. Well, this grinder, it's the Roche. What motivated me the most to choose this grinder? It's really just speed control here, which allows it to go from RRR, 9,500 RPMs. I'll even call here so you can feel what it's like. God bless you. Maximum speed. Well, as you can see, this differentiation is very versatile. I used it here to sand the table. I also used it to polish a pipe. I've been using this grinder a lot, thanks to the speed control, so it works like a sander. I'll leave all the technical information for you on the screen, which is better. Well, it comes in this little box that comes with it. Obviously the protective cover that every grinder has. I took it off because I'm using it with wood, so it would get in the way. I come here. A flange and another clamping nut. I'm using another one here that I have, but... And it comes with the wrench, and it also comes with... Yes, a cutting disc. It is intended, among other things, for working with stainless steel. Well, talking a little more about it here, I'm going to hang up the call. Okay, talking a little more about it, some details draw attention. One of them, which for me is the main one, is this trigger that turns it off and on. Why? Because when you call, you push. Okay. To turn it off, just give it a little touch and it releases. Without you actually having to pull the trigger, which is really cool. In an emergency situation, when you need to turn the tool on quickly. The other thing I found cool is this button here, which locks the shaft, allowing you to change it without precision. Needing to put a door, another key inside here. Anyway, it makes things much easier. It comes with this side handle too. Another difference I found about it is that it works for both right-handed and left-handed people. This head can be rotated by loosening these screws, allowing you to rotate the head so that this trigger is on top, if you prefer. Work with it on top so the disc would be in this position, so you would have this working point. Or vice versa if you're left-handed, so this is really cool about this tool. The only thing that's serious about it is that it only comes in the 220. Well, you don't have the option. I looked in the store and they told me it doesn't exist. It wasn't manufactured. Manufactured before I released it. I wanted to show you another thing that bothered me. It might bother some people, but now I'm relaxed. Is that it's speed 1? Well, you hear it? No. But it makes the noise as if the engine is failing. But that's just the noise that I called a stall. And they told me that this is something common in this model. But even so, you don't lose power, okay? Even at low speed. It's as if it were asking for more speed, which is the function for which it was created. Another thing that bothered me, this issue with the fairing, which has predetermined points for you to place. Not only does it have little teeth, it allows you to place the fairing where you want. Exactly. So, you have predetermined points. It's a detail, but the biggest issue of use. Maybe there wouldn't even be a need to turn them.
Well, anyway,
For that,
something
for me,
I
it could be
personally can see the reason for.
I paid less than 300 raise for it. It's price. So it's an excellent price. It's a little bit more than a normal professional grinder. That's it, guys. I think that's the tip for you. Oh, the tool. Another tool that I personally didn't know. I found out about now in my recent search for a grinder. I ended up being surprised by this fantastic tool with this speed control. This is spectacular. This is another level. It's another level of work. It's an incredible range of work with just one tool. Okay, so remember, it's not a polisher. You can do some types of polishing that are a little more aggressive, but it's not a polisher for polishing. For example, maybe someone very skilled could work with it, but not. It's not its purpose. Okay, guys, so that's it. I hope you liked it. And then we'll continue our work. And until next time, a hug to everyone.